Louis culture. Louis culture, yeah. Alright. Sassy, tell the people where to find you on social media.
Okay, you can find me on Instagram at Sassy Music and on YouTube at Sassy Vivo.
We're going at the Vivo.
You know, we have a little Vivo, right? True.
Right.
No, true.
Alright, we got 2 more females in other place, people. Yeah.
I'm have to big up Wreck-It Ralph Music,
right.
Delomar. Cause you know if I never Delomar, this wouldn't be possible.
Right.
Big up Delomar for you look out for the females them, you get me?
Yes.
Mad.
And Delo, big up yourself, you know, all female juggling in a madness, you know.
Representing for Shotty Shane, you're a real mega star. What I'm to them. And so,
no, where you go? Hey, Goody Plum is in the place alongside the Angel, First Lady of Dancehall. Well,
the fruit of dancehall.
Fruit of Dancehall, yeah. Goody. Della, but she can just be who she want to be.
Oh, let you stay with us.
No, you see, that's something there. No, we're not talking about that something there.
I have fruits ripe. We're here, Sunset, to go on Lockville. Lucky in.
Alright. The Angel done introduce herself. Long time, everybody hear you. Yeah, everybody hear you. So, Goody Plum is in the place, my people. And also the Angel. So, we're going to be asking both of them questions alternatively. Goody Wagwan. We're asking you, explain to us how you came up with your song Turn Up on the Pink Riddim. That's Goody.
Alright, how I came up with the song Turn Up. From my ear rhythm, it's like me hear something in my head just I say turn up, turn up, turn up. Like I couldn't stop say turn up. So I big up everything. You know, people bash bleaching,
right?
Them bash cosmetic surgery. Me big up all of that in a turn up. So everybody get a big up in a turn up.
So it's all about a big up song then. Everybody
does
get a touch
turn up,
yeah.
everything. Something upon your must turn up.
And the Wreck-It Ralph music team.
Well, it was good. It was good, but you see, Delomar. Delomar.
Ladies, I'm
him now take where him get, you know. He must forget where him want. Oh. Yeah, so.
True producer.
One of the time, me and him nearly war, you know. But you know what? They
must disagree if you agree. Something like that.
War. You have to understand.
Yeah. And the response of your song.
Well, it has been very good. I never expect it. Sing along. Them just say turn up.
Something there,
you know, yeah. Something there for you, yeah.
Alright, so they can sing that little turn up piece there. Hold on.
Look at you. You don't know say good play me now. I'm a day after talk up the things and the girl them things. Turn up till it buck. Every girl want you walk out now. Your man love you so come talk up now. Inna your mouth dreams not pop up now. Pat it up. Girl your body turn up, yo. Girl your body turn up, your bumper turn up, your makeup turn up, your bank book turn up. Yeah, your body turn up, your mink glass turn up, your clothes them turn up, your nails them turn up. Bust a wine from your nose, you know deep. Hustler ugly like gorilla, wear up like gorilla, head big like umbrella, full of style like a jelly. One acapella, good get swella, ask to seller. Girl, your body turn up, your well turn up, your bleaching turn up, your lifestyle turn up. Girl, your body turn up, your earstyle turn up, your friend them turn up, tattoo them turn up. Girl, your body turn up, your bumper turn up, your makeup turn up, your partner. Fridge stock out, enough juice and water. Carry your drive, no balada. No full of seed like melon and guava. From you never set a man, never kill a man, never stress a man, no move a man. Beard in a pan, have no donkey bite. Me am bored like termite. Pretty like mackerel, what a size. Girl, your body turn up, your well turn up, your bleaching turn up, your lifestyle turn up. Girl, your body turn up, your earstyle turn up, your friend them turn up.
You got my bumper turned up. Jesus!
Turn it out.
And the juggling to I wait for a dub there later on. Later on, we wait for a dub there. The juggling turn up.
Yeah, everything turn up.
Alright, my people.
Get swella, ask to seller.
Alright, good. Tell the people where to find you on social media.
Okay, you can find me at Stacy Expressions _ aka _ Goody Plum. You can just type in Goody Plum.
All who never
You will
know
see me come up. I have 2 accounts.
A Goody Plum.
Goody Plum Music and yeah, the one that I just said before. So just type in Goody Plum is one word.
Well, in the place.
Answer!
Oh, gee. What go on?
I'm good. Life
You're great?
is good. Yeah, I'm going to tell you about it. All these things.
You're on the female-dominated rhythm called Pink Riddim. What has the vibes been so far?
It has been great. It has been amazing. I mean, the unity,
Right.
the love, the energy, the vibe. Whenever females come together, it's just powerful.
Which is right.
So yeah, we are really making a powerful mark right now in the dancehall space.
Oh,
Finally, yeah, our voice is being heard loud. Okay, no, so yes.
And we not really see this in a dancehall, the people. As in artists coming together like this and everybody being one place and everybody a whole vibe and everybody enjoy
That's
themselves.
good look. It's the best feeling ever.
This
Trust
is
me.
something that I am seeing for the first.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. Thanks to Delamar for bringing this together. I have him do it. Him always. It's a woman thing. I'm
Yes.
just saying. Whatever.
The Angels, tell us about your song Talk Up. What is it about?
I talk about me mad, mama mad. So
That sounds familiar though.
I'm supposed to do it. Yeah. Man not done for me. Girl look good. Girl tidy. Something. Yeah. Right now them get me mad. Mama mad. Them get me mad, you know. So I just say things set and just the vibe and we were talking about me.
So this was your
Which
opportunity.
they never stop doing anyway. Yeah. So this was my opportunity. So I'm gonna start the things and go on with the things them as you know.
What has the reaction been with your song so far?
Amazing. Yeah. Oh gosh, everybody they can't wait for the video. Everybody say video time, no the angel. So they
we're
can't wait
doing
for
a
the song. Cause I forgot to talk about me when the video drop.
Right.
And talk about the things them in the video.
Right. Tell us how.
Yeah.
Tell us, how do you feel to be a part of the major female-dominated project?
I feel good, man. It's a good.
Which is
Can
true.
I give a stage right now? It's not go normal. I said, everybody have their own vibe, their own personality, and that's really seeing out of growth.
Right.
You know, with even the younger female artists, them.
That is true.
You know, cause if me see a little thing or two, me tell.
And
yeah.
as you're there, you have to grow.
Yeah, exactly. Cause when I started out, I said the angel,
A
do
little
it so hard,
tutoring.
do it so hard, do it
Right.
so hard, do it. So for me, can see another female artist, young artist coming up, that's a part of this production, and I can
Right.
tell them say, put A this one, B and C, and you will get D, and it work, and then say yes, ENJ. It's a good feeling, you know, cause you're part of the ENJ, you know them all talk about good, no, right? And so give them something to talk about. It's bad, it's a stream, it's a go on with them, so with themselves, with itself. People, girls have it on them ringtone. I'll be a something. People don't stop calling me the angel. Will love that. From the song drop, people love it. Cause it talk right things. It don't talk. We don't miss. It talk everything. I'm supposed to want me. Girl look good. Girl clean and tidy. After man done for me. Man don't run out for me. Me no get station. Why? Mama. Give them something to talk about. But me not go make them draw me out. There's no more you and me. Yeah. Take me name out of nasty mouth. Give them something to talk about. But me not go make them draw me out. There's no more you and me. Yeah. What the hell you know I talk about? Any man with me no take back. So tell him to stop breathing a minute back. You wanna forward, you a step back. While my body try go on your bed, but me want a real man, not a kid in a candy store. Tell me not the angel stronger than before. Me character you can't drop on the floor. Get behind me, watch it, make me slam the door. Something we talk about, but me not gonna make them draw me out. There's no more you and me, yeah. Take me name out of nasty mouth. Give them something we talk about, but me not gonna make them draw me out. There's no more you and me, yeah. What the hell you know I talk about? Now you're gonna boy put on my pot. Me good over ya, so it's all I got. Me have me own iPhone fame and me own million. So go on to your fake life back. Yeah, play hide and seek, but God not sleep. That good body, yeah, and the last year seat. The soul empty like when that's not sleep. Get away and stand a bit. Give them something to talk about, but we not gonna make them draw me out. There is no more you and me, yeah. Take me name out of nasty mouth. Give them something to talk about, but we not gonna make them draw me out. There is no more you and me, yeah. What the hell you know I talk about? Any man when they left me don't take back. So tell him to stop doing a minute back. But me want a real man, not a kid in a candy store. Tell me not the angel stronger than before. Me character you can't drop on the floor. Get behind me, watch it, make me slam the door. Give them something to talk about.
No, quiet there. Quiet there.
I saw we go out, we know each other song.
The angel. Because it's all about unity. Everybody listen to everybody. And on social media.
The Angel Music, of course. So follow me on Instagram, The Angel Music. And yeah, once you come there, so you see everywhere if you get to everywhere. All about OnlyFans. Everywhere. So the link there is a pick your part and travel upon a part. It could have worse. A girl could have never.
Oh. May I hear tell the people them before we go? As the big bad producer.
Alright, so I want to tell the people themselves to go out and support the Pink Riddim.
Right.
And all of the man them themselves can buy a copy.
Right.
All females and support on one. Alright?
When you hear that, people, support the music, buy the music, people, buy the music, stream it and buy it, right? Support Jamaican music, that's what I've been saying all these years. I want to thank all the ladies who passed through today. Goody Plum, Sassy, what you say? What you say? Oh, that cost me, you know, because I know Pamputil, that cost. Pretty Devil, big up yourself too. Yeah, for them that.
And me.
No, you call first. Yeah, your name call first. It's the Pink Riddim, people. Stream it. Yeah, get it. Me listen out for the dub them from now. Delamar work, start work.
Yeah, we need to do this video, right? That's what
judge me. My life happy and nice over here. One shot has done, man, a touch me. Me proud of me body real or falls up. I me no favor all up and jall up. Face up, makeup up, nails up, clothes up, shoes up, down to me shorts up. Beer drinks and tropics, me name a call up. My lifestyle big solo, me make me go on up. Max feel and me gully. Money, me confidence, so can't small up. Say anything you wanna say. My body hotter than yours, I bet. Me fat be my semi life well hype. So what can you say about yes? Well, say anything you wanna say. My life nicer than yours, I bet. She bright and skin tight. So every girl man want me. Them no like you and you no like them. Them are your enemy, you and them no friend. then just show you look better than them. I do not
Always giving you the hottest jams first. Sunjock Shotty Shane.
Next time, defend the Gucci, she never get wild. Tell bad mind fuck off. If you never ever kill a man, fine. Yes, me dear child. Never trust none of your hairstyle. You meet with your body, some gal stay kind. Tell bad mind fuck off. Spin your roll and cut where crosses. Say them up but no know where classes. Come a boast over losses. You are the present, some gal are past tense. Traffic blocking, so the man them flocking. Inna your Dior dress, tie your skin tone stacking. Lick clear, keep a boast, it clear, you wapping. Your makeup popping, if you never ever. Me a me man, na me hard, and no gal can't take it. I be old me man, to no gal me nah let it. We still love till the end, that no me nah let it. Your job done, never see the little style when me give it. On this side, I went like jump on the wall just like me a spider. Hell long love, say me a the rough rider. Anywhere I'm nothing provider. Me body well fair, no need no designer. No brown spot, no in a panty line. Me have the little teeny tiny, little teeny tiny. Any more, baby climb it. Me a the wife, now me a no girl can't take it. I want the man. I be old me man to no girl me nah let it. We still love
Every girl who want you walk out now. Your man love you so come talk up now. Inna your mouth drink no talk up now. What it? Girl your body turn up, your well turn up, your bleaching turn up, your lifestyle turn up. Girl your body turn up, your hairstyle turn up, your friend them turn up, tattoo them turn up. Girl your body turn up, your bumper turn up, your makeup turn up.
And I must represent for Shotty Shane.
Yeah, your body turn up, your mink glass turn up, your clothes them turn up, your nails them turn up. From your know you're not deep. Over no man you're not loose, not a sleep. Close your ear expensive, them not cheap. Let them chat but to you them can speak. You know live under cellar, ugly like gorilla. Beer up like gorilla, head big like umbrella. Full of style like a jelly. Van acapella, good get swella. Ask the seller. Girl your body turn up, your well turn up. Your bleaching turn up, your lifestyle turn up. Girl your body turn up, your hairstyle turn up. Your friend them turn up. Them turn up, girl your body turn up, your bumper turn up, your makeup turn up, your bamboo turn up, yeah your body turn up, your mink glass turn up, your clothes them turn up, your nails them turn up.
no boy can steal me up. I've up your dirty money when you bout me. Look at me body pretty, not ugly. Me plan for them, tell him to move. Me get you one improve. Run where the boy them with your look y'all see. Tell him to move. Have money can buy my own shows. You want to go up for Bible, tell him to move. Woman get you one improve. Run where the boy them with your look y'all see. Tell him to move. I coulda way I got your proof. And who you want come get one night move. Hey, Mr. Man, clown days done. Make sure so you get in a your ears drum. If you not have no money, me I got your bum. I'm in a run back, I'm in a stadium. No man no get it and them tear down. Walk on me yard till them clocks wear down. You must see things to me easy to lay down. Heads well up here, that what you feel so low. Me get you one improve. Run where the boy them with your look y'all feel. Tell him to move. Have money can buy me own shows. You want a girl to touch you up, go star blue. Tell him to move. Woman get you one improve. Run where the boy them with your look y'all feel. Tell him to move. I coulda way I got your proof. And we want come keep one night.
We run man a run way. We burn man a burn way. We hold man a hold way. We man long as them a way. We take man a take way. We stress man a stress way. We left man a left. We a take program. We have your own money. Respect me like how you respect your dad. Do for me like how you do for your mama. Defend me like how you defend your gang. And salute me.
Yo, respect the talent. It's Sunjock Shotty Shane. Dropping some new joints in your dome.
Keep the money coming. Me response to me come fast. We run man a run way. We burn man a burn way. We hold man a hold way. We man long as them a way. We take man a take way. We stress man a stress way. We left man a left. We no take program. We have your own money.
Me body nice and fat, look at that. See me go over show this video back. You can hurt me body and put the ring on that. I
you love it when you put up the clothes, them for your rock.
Nice and little, make it jiggle little. Wind up the middle and I push it out like a nipple. Bend like me couple. When man a dash money, the amount of it. All me have to do, I let home always and show the body man I'm a dover. Bubble like soda, bubble like them yam soap. Yeah. Clean, girl look her odor. And the more fi kiss me all over.
Him say my body nice until him don't want left. Him say my body nice until him don't want left. Him now I catch you sitting swim, don't want catch. Him now I catch you sitting swim, don't want catch.
Me I feel like a thing for them man, yeah. Don't let me with them, me hook your man. Me I feel like a thing for them man, yeah. Don't let me with them, me hook your man. Me I feel like a thing for them man, yeah. Don't let me with them, me hook your man. Me I feel like a thing for them man, yeah. Them man, yeah.
Man a dog, but I know every skirt you pay back off. You're not no class, everything you drop. My words hurt you, take it to the pastor. Community body, community body. Yeah, they all go like one, it's a community body. Community body, community body. Me not join the neighborhood watch, me a community body.
It's gonna rain civil, and I'm locked into my sunjob. Shotty shame.
No self-control, just a pushing body pan. Every girl so real life man, or you knock the wrong door card. You touch Tanisha and Keisha for a slice of pizza. You call yourself a girl, but you broke speed a meter. I lie your business, they are road like you on social media. Post on a cheetah, beauty preacher. Community body, community body. They all go like gold, it's a community body. Community body, community body. Me not join the neighborhood watch, me a community body. When him see them home and a please me, feel and a squeeze me. Why they a road that check out every scenery. Every little chicken win your body so easy. Hold on something coming now make you breathe. Me don't shot when me rush you with a tough block. And you comfort to get a from a done spot. Me no unspot, body up here me done fat. When me run away you can't come back. Community body, community body. They all go like road, miss a community body. Community body, community body. Me not join the neighborhood watch, miss a community body. Then after me, give the ugly boy me heart and soul this. Nasty boy nah no self-control, just a pushing body pan. Every girl soul real life man, or ya knock the wrong door card. You touch Tanisha and Keisha for a slice of pizza. You call yourself a girl, but you broke speed a meter. I lie your business, they are road like you on social media. Post on a cheetah, beauty preacher. Community body, community body.
After man a good for me, man a not for me, me like a station. Why? Right now them get me mama. Them get me mad along. Mama. Give them something to talk about, but me not go make them draw me out. There's no more you and me. Yeah. Take me name out on nasty mouth. Give them something to talk about, but me not go make them draw me out. There's no more you and me. Yeah. What the hell you know I talk about? Any man who the left me no take back. So tell him to stop breathing a minute back. You wanna forward, you a step back. While my body try go on your bed back. Me want a real man, not a kid in a candy store. They tell me no angel stronger than before. Me character you can't drop on the floor. Get behind me, watch it, let me stamp the door. Give them something we talk about, but me not gonna make them draw me out. There's no more you and me. Yeah. Take me name out on nasty mouth. Give them something we talk about, but me not gonna make them draw me out. There's no more you and me. Yeah. What the hell you know I talk about? Now wait for no boy if you put on my pot. Me good over ya so with all I got. Me have me own iPhone fame and me own million. So go on to your fake life back. Yeah, play hide and seek, but God not sleep. That good body ya, at the last ya see. Your soul empty like when that's not keep. Get away and stand a bit. Give them something to talk about, but me not gonna make them draw me out. There's no more you and me. Yeah. Take me name out on nasty mouth. Give them something to talk about, but me not gonna make them draw me out. There's no more you and me. Yeah. What the hell you know I talk about? Any man who the left me don't take back. So tell him to stop breathing a minute back. You wanna forward, you a step back. While my body try go on your bed back. Me want a real They say me know me angel stronger than before.
Pay for your Domino's Pizza online now. Visit Domino's.com.jm or download the Domino's Jamaica app to order and pay online. It's quick, easy, secure. The time by Domino's is